fly. Ano? So guys, nandito tayo sa Pyongyang Adventure. Ang i-avail ko ay coaster tsaka yung bago nilang fly line. Yan, for the adventure person. Ay, sorry. Okay, I'm so excited. Ito na daw ang sikat na coaster sa Thailand. Ah, okay. Ayan na. Okay. Go. Okay, pasok ko ba? So guys, I will first sit here. Okay. And then, is this automatic?
Automatic brake.
Ah, wait. Okay guys, ilalagay ito dito. Seat belt. And then, like this. Oh. Is this automatic? Wow! Wow! Wesley, mag-hi ka na. Wow! Okay, guys!
Ready?
How about this?
You control.
If
Yeah, control. The same.
same?
Yeah, you push the forward to go.
Okay.
Yeah, you slow.
What's the meaning of this?
Yeah.
Slow.
Back, do stop.
Oh, okay. Push forward,
Yeah.
and then slow,
Yeah.
and then stop.
Yep.
Okay.
You don't stop. Okay. Don't stop. Yeah,
Okay.
let's go.
Let's go.
Go.
Okay.
Push. Push it.
Ooh.
Push. Push it all the way.
Ah, okay. Oops. Ah, don't stop. Wait. Okay. Wow! 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 Whistler! Woo! 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 Whistler! Oh, slow. Okay, guys, it's here. Oh my gosh, reduce. Okay. Slow down. Oh. Guys, Wesley, nasa ka na? Wesley! Okay. Slow. Oh. Slow. Oops. Oh. What happened? Ah. Oh. Okay. Wait. Okay, akit na tayo. Woo! Unhand daw. Wow! Wow! Miss Ray, nasa ka daw? Ooh. Wow! Mm. Ah! Whoa! Okay, guys. Okay, hands down. Okay. Ooh. Ah! And then oh, and now whoa. Ito. Ay guys, ending na yata to. Or meron pa. Meron pa ata. Ooh, balls. Ah, meron pa. Okay. Ooh. Ah! Okay, and na. Wow. Okay, the end. Miss Lee. Miss Lee, hi ka na. Hi. Thank you. Guys, merong picture. Ayan o, sana ako. Ayun ako, 100 baht. So, paano siya mag-print?
Babayaran natin.
Babayaran doon. Okay, tignan natin.
Paano?
I'll put 100.
Yeah.
And then, wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Whoa! Wait, guys. Cute! Ah, ito na siya, guys! Okay, Miss Lee, yung sa'yo. Ikaw.
Paano ba?
Kahit ano, ma'am. Yan. Ay, wait lang. Tapos, let's go. And then, touch mo na, ma'am. Yan.
Taba ako.
Ha? Ano yan? Oh, tingin ka dito, ma'am. Ah. Ito na yung next activity, fly line.
Nagka-attic
Let's
mag
go.
sa ano. Kunin ko yung bag ko kay Koya.
Okay. Pwedeng, wait lang, ma'am. Okay. Akit tayo dito guys sa fly line. Okay guys. Ooh. Ay, Miss Lee. Ayan o. So guys, nandiyan pala yung ano ko, yung blue. Okay guys, mag-fly line na tayo. Okay. Tuloy try natin ang mahal ng zip line kung kaya. Okay. Uy, tulog yung ano dito. Slow mo. Fly line. Miss Lee, dyan ka lang ah. Okay. Hi! So, ayun na nga guys, na ako, fly line, ayan. Ito zip line, ito fly line, yan. Ang init guys, nagpawisan ako. Pero mas nag-enjoy ako dun sa coaster. Ayan o, yung coaster, ganyan o. Yan, ganyan. Ang saya. Ang init. Next na kami. Okay. Okay, I'm so excited! Ito na daw ang sikat na coaster sa... So guys, I will first sit here. Okay. And then, is this automatic?
Automatic brake.